Hi, I'm Amelia. Today I'm going to explain how my custom ride system works in Planet Coaster 2. So basically this entire thing is designed around the Dance Macabre ride at Efteling. I'm sure I butchered that name. But essentially it is a spinning bed which each car can also spin. The floor will then pitch, roll, and spin on its own axes to create a free floor-esque experience. At least that's what I've gathered from all the things I've read, and that's the kind of full inspiration of what is here. Everything works through these display sequencers, each one handling a specific part of the ride. This way I can test individual elements and program them all to be exactly timed when I want them without a massive display sequencer. This also avoids the display sequencer max timeline elements. But if I were to open this one up, it controls the front car here. So if I just zoom this out a bit and press start, you'll see that as this plays out, the car is doing this. Now, normally in Planet Coaster 2, when using the platform pieces that spin, like the motors, you can't tell them how much to rotate. You have very limited options, and most of them aren't what you need for something like this. However, if you were to take a motor and apply a slow speed to it, for example, put the grid on, and then attach another motor to it, and change this one to be a slow reverse, you'll notice that the top motor is no longer spinning, as the two are counterbalancing, or they're balancing out. So essentially, the bottom one is spinning right, the top one is spinning left, which means there's no actual rotation happening. So by triggering these motors in very specific sequences, I'm able to achieve whatever rotation I want at any given time in the ride, so long as I have enough motors to do it. For example, the cars all use 2 motors each. Now, there's 4 spinning things here, but I call each group, one reverse, one normal, a motor. And then over here on the actual ride, it uses a free motor group, so that I have more control, and I can make the bed's motion more fluid. That way it's a lot more fun to watch. So that's the basics of how everything works. I'm always open to talk more in depth. If you want to leave a comment, I'd love to listen and chat. Thank you.